Hello my dear friends, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel and also at this Facebook page. If you are a student, you must watch of my video. We are providing your whole grammar my dear friends, and I hope you would gain understand something well here and you can understand something. If you are a student, if you want to make of the sentences, if you want to learn English and if you want to speak fluently and confidently on the stage between in the public place, if you are a student, you must watch of my video. We are providing to you whole solution in your grammar if you are a student. So we are providing to my dear friends your grammar, and in the grammar we are studying present indefinite tense. In the present indefinite tense, in present positive affirmative sentence we have to make and negative sentence we have to make, and also we have to know making of the interrogative in present indefinite tense. And this P2 we would know that WH type questions, who put up question, my difference is interrogative work. WH type if you are a student my dear friends, you must watch of my video. I would told you my dear friends what will be rule here in this sentence. If this type sentence are coming, then how you make this. If this type sentence are coming my dear friend, then what you will use? WH type plus subject plus does or do plus verb plus other word. If you are a student, you must watch of my video. We are providing to your whole solution in your grammar my dear friends. How you would make in this sentence? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where means होता है कहाँ. अब सब्जेक्ट आपका क्या है? You. Where. अब देखिए आप सब्जेक्ट यूज करेंगे where you do live, but I think that something इज मिस्टेक. डू आपका डू और डज पहले लगाएंगे मेरे दोस्त. डू ऑब्लिक डज बी यूज बिफोर ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट प्लस सब्जेक्ट. वेयर अब आपका देखिए यू क्या बहुवचन है, तो वेयर डू यू लिव. लिव मीन्स होता है रहना. ये आपका सेंटेंस बन गया. वेयर डू यू लिव, आप कहाँ रहते हो. इफ़ यू आर स्टूडेंट यू मस्ट वॉच ऑफ माई वीडियो. अब देखिए तुम क्या कार्य करते हो. इफ आई एम आस्किंग टू यू तुम क्या कार्य करते हो, हाउ यू विल मेक दिस सेंटेंस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. इट इज योर रूल एंड इफ यू विल कीप योर सेंटेंस. WH मीन्स होता है, WH मीन्स क्या होता है आपका, होता है व्हाट, व्हाई, where and this type. It is your WH type question. तुम क्या कार्य करते हो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिव टू यू फॉर्मूला WH बिफोर यूज. तो क्या है WH है, तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे व्हाट. अब आप क्या लगाएंगे, डू या डज लगाएंगे. तो क्या है, ये बहुवचन है तो क्या लगाएंगे व्हाट डू. अब लगाएंगे तुम क्या अब लगाएंगे यू. व्हाट डू यू वर्क. व्हाट डू यू डू वर्क करेंगे या व्हाट डू यू वर्क. वर्क मीन्स होता है कार्य करना. ये आपका सेंटेंस व्हाट डू यू वर्क, तुम क्या कार्य करते हो. दिख नहीं रहा है क्या, व्हाट डू यू वर्क माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. अभी व्हाट डू यू वर्क. व्हाट डू यूर, तुम क्या कार्य करते हो, इट इज योर सेंटेंस. इफ यू आर स्टूडेंट यू मस्ट वॉच ऑफ माई वीडियो एंड वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू योर होल ग्रामर इन योर बुक. एंड if you want to speak English, my dear friends, I think that you have to need know basic your grammar. If you would not know make of the sentences, you would not put out the word how we have to order and how we have to keep sentences and how we have to speak. My dear friends, you would not get speak. Until you would not make sentences, you would not get speak. You must know that at this step, and you must understand deeply of the grammar. If you want to speak, my dear friends, if you want to speak fluently and confidently, so let's come be know that something more. If you are a student, you must watch and you can gain well here. We are providing to you your whole solution. अब देखिए, वह स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाता है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू मेक दिस सेंटेंस. वह स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाता है. हाउ यू विल मेक. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड टू यू व्हाट इज योर प्लूरल नंबर. ही इज योर प्लूरल नंबर. ही मीन्स वह. अब देखिए, व्हाई होता है, इसी पर लगाएंगे व्हाई. अब ये क्या होता है, ये हो गया व्हाई. वह स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाता. अब लिखेंगे डज. इस फॉर्मूले पर मैंने बताया है प्लूरल नंबर है तो वहाँ पर लगाएंगे डज. प्लूरल नहीं है, सिंगुलर नंबर है तो डज लगाएंगे, प्लूरल है तो डू लगाएंगे. तो व्हाई डज ही, व्हाई डज ही. अब देखिए, अब वर्ब क्या है, जाना है तो गो टू स्कूल. ये आपका सेंटेंस बन गया. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, I will teach you transformation, synthesis and direct indirect here, but you must know that basic your grammar. If you are, तुम कहाँ रहते हो तो ये क्या होगा आपका where do you live. तो ये आपका सेंटेंस बना है. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरे दोस्त. You can watch clearly, you can watch clearly and we are solving your whole solution in your grammar and you must understand well. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, if you think that how we can learn, it is a mountain या पहाड़ है, मैं कैसे सीख पाऊँगा, how would I understand this language, then you are thinking wrong, my dear friends. You must understand something and you must give time at yourself. If you are giving practice, if you are giving time at yourself, I think that there are nothing to impossible in your life and you focus now at yourself and you can do everything. अब देखिए, स्नेहा सुबह क्यों नहीं उठती है. सुबह जल्दी, सुबह सुबह यानी सुबह. स्नेहा सुबह जल्दी क्यों नहीं उठती है. इसको कैसे बनाएंगे, क्यों नहीं उठती है. हाउ यू विल मेक सेंटेंसेस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. देखिए, स्नेहा सुबह जल्दी, सुबह से सुबह, स्नेहा जल्दी सुबह क्यों नहीं उठती है. चलिए मिस्टेक होगा तो देख लीजिएगा. स्नेहा सुबह जल्दी क्यों नहीं उठती. अब देखिए, आप क्या लगेंगे, पहले डब्ल्यू एच है इसी पर रखेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा वाई. अब लिखेंगे स्नेहा, वाई स्नेहा, यस NEHA, वाई स्नेहा. अब क्या लिखेंगे आप, मैंने आपको बताया डू या डज लगाएंगे तो वाई स्नेहा. एक मिनट, वाई स्नेहा या इससे पहले लगाएंगे वाई, इस पर लगाएंगे तो वाई डज स्नेहा, वाई डज स्नेहा, वाई डज स्नेहा. अब उठना क्या होता है, गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग. तो वाई डज स्नेहा गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग. ये आपका सेंटेंस. वाई डज स्नेहा गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग. स्नेहा सुबह जल्दी क्यों नहीं उठती है. वाई दिख नहीं रहा है क्या. why does Sneha get up early morning? Why does Sneha get up early morning? ये आपका सेंटेंस बन गया. यू कैन वॉच. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू आर स्टूडेंट यू मस्ट वॉच. इसी पर आप रखेंगे तो आपका सेंटेंस बनता हुआ चला जाएगा. और यदि आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आपको ग्रामर सीखना है. यदि आप हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़े हैं मेरे दोस्त, इफ़ यू आर स्टडिंग इन हिंदी मीडियम and you think that how to improve our communication skill, how we can learn English, how we can think English, and how we can do practice, how we can do conversation in English, my dear friends, you have to watch. You must watch to me, and you must watch lot of people. You can watch in which people you are thinking that we can understand something and we can gain something. You must watch them, my dear friends. And my dear brother and sister, if you are learning, if you want to do well in your life, you focus now at yourself. There are nothing to permanent in your life. If you will focus, if you will give time at yourself, everything will be okay and everything will be become according to you. If you will give time at yourself, if you are thinking I am not capable to do, you are thinking wrong and you can do anything in your life. If you are thinking as my dear friends, you must live and you can do everything in your life. You focus now at yourself and you must start doing something in your life. If you are not making ambition, what you have to do in your future, my dear friends, you are nothing in your, you must not, you do not surviving your life, you are wasting your life. If you are doing as making ambition in your life and do work for your ambition, for your purpose, for your passion, what do you want to get in your life? Everyone do as. If you are a educated people, my dear friends, you must watch and what become to me be see lot of people and we aspire at this task. Someone is as they success very few age and someone give time. You someone is as they give your whole time, your whole age are spending for success, but they get success in his life, but they taken lot of time. My dear friends, do smart work and extra work in your present, making for your future in your life, my dear friends. If you want to gain well, you have to need no work at yourself and you can gain everything in your life. If you think that you are the most unlucky person in this society, in this world, then put out at your home and show off the people. लोगों को देखिए how they are surviving, how they are living of his life. If you are always to give to you, यदि आप हमेशा अपने आप को ही ब्लेम देते हैं, if you are giving blame to you always, I have gone for interview and I have not selected. My dear friends, why? I think that something you are well, them are you, something in your inside is mistake, then you have to do work at yourself, you have to do prepare and you have to maintain yourself what you are doing and what you are doing wrong in your life. My dear friends, you must know that at this time and if focus at yourself, you do work at yourself. If you want to change your entire life, if you want to change your situation, your direction and your future, in the future you have to do work in your present, my dear friends. I hope you can gain everything, and who you want you will achieve. I hope you can do everything in your life. And if you are watching to be first time at this YouTube channel, please, my dear friends, like this video and subscribe. Push the bell icon and keep your thoughts in the comment section. Which new notification you could meet? Push the bell icon. Thank you, and meet you in the next video, next part, past indefinite tense taken part to you. If you are a student, if you do not know make of the sentences, you must watch of my video. I hope you can gain well, and you must watch. Thank you. Jai Hind.